So Laplace of y double prime minus the Laplace, minus 3 times the Laplace of y prime plus 2 times the Laplace of y equals the Laplace of e to the negative 4t. So if we follow this shortcut for y double prime equals this, y prime equals that, y equals that, and you take the Laplace, plug these in. So s squared y of s minus sy of 0 minus y prime of 0, that's done for y double prime, minus 3 times s y of s minus y of 0 plus 2y of s equals 1 over s plus 4. I did e to the negative 4t if you look at this table. E to the negative at equals 1 over s plus a. So a being 4, that's how you get that. Next, distribute this negative 3 to both of these, and then plug in your initial conditions. So still got s squared, capital Y of s, minus sy of 0, which is 1, so just s, minus y prime of 0 is 5, minus distribute the 3, negative 3, sy of s, distribute the 3 to this guy, y of 0 is 1, so negative 3 times negative 1 equals positive 3, plus 2, s equals 1, s plus 4. Next, we're just going to group these guys together, everything with the capital YS. So s squared y of s minus 3s y of s plus 2 ys minus s minus 5 plus 3 equals 1 over s plus 4. So let's factor it so that it's all these s squared minus 3s plus 2 all times y of s, big Y of s, and then minus s, negative 5 plus 3, negative 2 equals 1 over s plus 4. Let's add these two over to the other side, so we'll have s squared minus 3s plus 2 times ys equals 1 over s plus 4 plus s plus 2. Let's get common denominators, so we'll multiply top and bottom by s plus 4. And if you do that, you will get s squared plus 4s plus 2s plus 8, but these two combine, so you'll have s squared plus 6s plus 8 over s plus 4. And that's plus 1 over s plus 4. So when you combine these guys, you have s squared plus 6s plus 8 plus 1 over s plus 4, or just plus 9. And that's all equal to y of s squared times all that junk. Next step, you're going to divide both sides by this to get y alone. So if you divide both sides by this polynomial, you have big capital Y of s equals s squared plus 6s plus 9 over s plus 4 is s squared minus 3s plus 2. And you can factor the top, and you can factor the bottom. And if you do factor the top and bottom, you'll end up with capital Y of s equals s plus 3. I ran out of room. If you factor the top and bottom, you'll have capital Y of s equals s plus 3 times s plus 3 over s plus 4 times s minus 1 times s minus 2. And that you're going to have to set equal to a plus the s plus 4 plus the b plus s minus 1 plus c over s minus 2. Just give a, b, and c for each of these denominators. And to solve for a, you will choose what's under a, and s plus 4 equals 0, so s equals negative 4. So you'll plug in negative 4 for this. The formula for this is you take what a is on top of, so s plus 4 times the original function, the whole thing, so this whole thing, and then stuff will cancel. So s plus 3, s plus 3, s plus 4, s minus 1, s minus 2. If you multiply these two guys cancel. So s equals negative 4. And you're just going to plug those in. Plug negative 4 in for every s here. So negative 4 plus 3 times negative 4 plus 3 over negative 4 minus 1 over negative 4 minus 2. If you plug that in your calculator, or just do it by hand correctly, you should get 1 over 30. For b, you're going to do s minus 1 times the entire thing. So times s plus 3 times s plus 3 top s plus 4 s minus 1 times s minus 2. The s plus minus 1s will cancel, and again s minus 1 equals 0, so s equals positive 1. S equals 1. Plug 1 in for every s. 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 3 over 1 plus 4 times 1 minus 2, and that should give you negative 16 over 5. And finally, for c equals s minus 2 times everything again. So s plus 3 over s plus 4 times s minus 1 times s minus 2. The s minus 2's cancel, and because it's s minus 2 equals 0, s equals plus 4. So s equals plus 4. Oh, plus 2, what am I doing? Plus 2, can't read. So you're going to put 2 in for s everywhere, so you're going to have 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 4, 2 minus 1. And if you do that in your calculator by hand, you should get negative 25 over 6. So now you have capital Y of s equals 1 over 30 over s plus 4 minus 1, or 16 over 5 over s minus 1 minus 25 over 6 over s minus 2. This is the final step where you're going to have to take the Laplace, inverse Laplace, and go backwards. So capital Y of s equals 1 over 30. I don't need to rewrite again. So if you take the inverse Laplace, y of s goes to little y of t. The coefficient comes along for the ride, so it's 1 over 30 times, get your sheet out. Using this, e to the negative at turns to 1 over s plus a. So our a is 4 here, so e to the negative 4t, just the form, minus 16 over 5 minus 16 over 5 e to the 1t minus 25 over 6 e to the 2t.